Welcome to the future. You are currently looking at Lukavac Cement in the year 2074, a strategic high-tech smart plant project. Because we have a vision. But let's go back 100 years, to the 70s of the last century. After 4 years of construction, on June 6, 1974, Lukavac Cement plant was officially put into operation. It was an important moment for the economy of Bosnia and Herzegovina. The industrial production of cement started with one rotary kiln of daily capacity of 800 tons of clinker. And in the period up to 1992, about 90% of the designed capacity was realized. A new chapter begins in 2001, when one of the successful privatizations in Bosnia and Herzegovina was carried out. In the following years, the plant becomes one of the most modern and environmentally conscious ones in Europe. Since 2022, operating under the new name Lukavac Cement, in December 2023, enters a new era of business as a member of the Hungarian Talentis Group. Integration into this large system brings new development opportunities and green investments, especially in the area of further alternative fuels, share increase, but also the placement of Lukavac Cement on new market. The making of this incredible story of development and success was not an easy task. It took a lot of will, knowledge and commitment to survive on a 50-year-long journey and resist all changes, crises and challenges. In the first 50 years of existence and operation, millions of tons of Lukavac cement were produced and incorporated into numerous buildings and infrastructure facilities. In every part of this beautiful story about development and growth, there are people, employees, without whom this story would certainly not have this flow. Today, they have the opportunity to work in facilities with top technology, get educated, express their innovation, and propose improvement. Because precisely thanks to them and their expertise, Lukavac Cement has become a leader in the production and sale of high-quality cement products, and year after year, it achieves better and better results. Behind all this is a huge number of socially responsible projects that were and will be an imperative for the work of Lukavac Cement, all with the aim of creating a better and higher quality life for the citizens of Lukavac as well as Bosnia and Herzegovina, always with a special focus on younger generations and protection of environment. And let's return again to the beginning of this exciting journey to the future of Lukavac Cement, which has never been more stable and successful, stepping strongly into new time and new victories. And that with only one goal: to be a symbol of superior business and protection of environment, always the first and different. Because we are Lukavac Cement.